How's it going? My name's Tucker from Automotive. This right here, the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Willys. I'm gonna do a quick video, go over all the features, everything like that. So let's hop right into it. Okay, starting out front, you're gonna see it has this nice black grille, you know, the iconic 7-slot grille for the Wrangler. Another thing is a super eye-catching, bright yellow color. It really stands out from a crowd. It is a really nice, kind of like a bumblebee style color. Has a nice American flag decal up front, the Willys decal on the side. You're gonna have your fog lights down here as well. Come along the side now. This is going to be a Willys, like I said, so it's gonna have these nice big 33-inch tires, blacked out wheels, and these tires, along with the Jeep itself, is pretty much gonna be to handle anything that you have to throw with it. Whether you're taking it on a snowy day, you're hitting the trails, or just taking it down the road. These are gonna be perfect for it. So along the side again, these decals are very similar to some of the special edition Jeep decals, so it gives off a really cool vibe to the whole Jeep in general. You're gonna have these as well. And down here, you can see it has the rock guard. So when you're hitting the trails, say you do hit a rock, it's gonna hit these so it won't hurt the frame at all. And lastly, obviously you can see it has a really nice blacked out fenders as well as a soft top up here. And ending out back here, obviously you got your spare tire back here. The last owner put some nice American flag templates out on the taillights. Gives a really nice feature. And coming inside the trunk now, because this is a soft top, you can't fold this, unfortunately, but you still got a ton of space down here. Put any groceries, anything like that. You also have some storage down here. Pretty much fit whatever you want. You can fold those back seats down as well if you need more space. Coming to the interior now, you're gonna have some really nice cloth seating, Jeep floor mats down there. Make sure your carpets don't get all muddy or dirty if you're taking it off-road. Crank windows, and, if I can get it. And around the interior, the last owner also put some nice color-matched plastic pieces around the interior. I'll show a little more, but you have right here, the vents up there. You have some up here on the stereo as well. And coming to the front seat now, you have these cloth seating up here as well. The fastest drying cloth seats in the market. And to pop open the soft top, you got 2 clips up there. Got this nice steering wheel. As you can see, more of the yellow features around the interior. This is gonna have just over 19,000 miles. So just getting started, has a ton of life left in it. You're gonna have this Uconnect system. It's gonna be able to have Bluetooth. You can use your phone, compass, all that. It's gonna be located right here. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this yellow Jeep might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Come on in. And yeah, we're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.